Nilagyan nila ng twist ang kanilang kainan. Sino ba na magsasawa sa mga asong samoyed? Ang nilang pag-welcome sa mga bisita. Sadyang hilig makipaglaro ng mga samoyed sa mga
Press handbrake and press brake.
Tinayo ni Leia
I'll
at
keep on
kanyang
brake.
kapatid ang playground ng hindi lamang isa, kundi 10
BFK.
samoyed.
Years na po kami. For those people na
Did you press handbrake and brake now?
at their home, so
Yeah,
pwede po kayong pumunta
press
dito.
handbrake.
We can play with our dogs. we can
Because
hug
that's
them,
what I
we can
did.
play with them, and then pwede po tayo mag-picture taking, of course, with
Oh,
them.
that's I didn't unlock handbrake.
Naging madaling desisyon din ni na Leia ang
Oh.
pag-alala
Oh,
ng mga
no.
asong samoyed.
During
No.
our time, we grew up with our dog.
Run over
So,
me.
yung dog po sa kanya, sa labas lang
Keep
ng
pressing
house.
it.
Kaya kami ay
Yes!
nagsasabi
We finally fit
na
because of it.
nahag yung dog.
I'm
Kaya
joking.
sa pagsimulan ng restaurant,
handbrake.
kakambal nito ang kanilang samoyed.
Shane, stop breaking
Kung saan may
tires.
babahagi
No, brake.
sa puso
Break, break, break. I told you to break.
Photo area.
Say, look at this tutorial, but there's no full tutorial.
12 noon. And
La 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 la.
sa kanilang mga alagang aso.
Keep on breaking.
Ang pinakaunang farm baby.
I unlock handbrake. I have 11 left.
sa kanya po naka-name after is our personal friend, personal pet. Alaga po talaga po.
I need to unlock super
The last
brake.
few dogs na halabas po ng Ukraine before the war. And then,
Oh!
one by one,
Bacon wait,
nagdadala po
bacon
sila.
wait, bacon wait.
Kasabay naman
Yep.
nilang restaurant.
Yep.
Dumarami
Bacon,
ang
are you
nagmamahal
kidding me? Bacon versus cute girl.
sa nila mga
Bacon versus so many bacon. Oh
We
my
just
god.
wanted to see the fun also of having a dog.
Oh my Bacon versus cute girl, lol.
Thought that it would be best po na kasi diba, typically yung nga po, ang sabi po nila, nakakatanggal talaga ng stress yung
Yeah, stop pressing brake. Okay.
yan ang mga balitang binangkaya.
Oh, thank you. Break again. Okay, break again. Oh. I have 10 handbrakes. Break again.
Yan, sabi ko. Mamay na tayo mag-usap.
They stop pressing brake now.
Okay na, mag-explain tayo ha.
And then brake. Your brake is handbrake. Your brake is so strong. Oh my god. Don't run a red.
Sa ABS-CBN News YouTube channel ang
Don't run a red light. I warned you. Can you stop hitting the brake or else it's gonna be red? See, I told you.
Mag-log on sa abs-cbn.com. Napakikinggan din ang video sa TZN.
Bro, I'm recording. I'm gonna send this to YouTube, bro. Bro, what? I'm gonna send this to YouTube. I'm not. Leia.
Para
Go
sa
to the
inyo.
prayer.
Saan man sa
Leia,
mundo.
enter here. Prayer.
game ko sana yung nasa likod ng mga
Ako hindi na nagulog. Dito ako sa dami ng pera. Galit ako sa dami ng Sige na.
Sama-sama pa rin tayo gabi-gabi.
Hoy, tama na yan ba?
Ako naman po ang inyong kabayan si Nolly Di Castro sa pangalan po ng ABS-CBN News. It is sir. Tama na, papahinga na.
Bye.
Pakibukas, sama yan.